Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the bat and handle are dry and clean. This matters because moisture ruins glue adhesion and weakens the wood. Once done, mark the thread path along the spine and at both toe and heel points. Use a 3/6 mm drill bit and clamp the bat firmly. Drill shallow pilot holes for the thread entry and exit. Make sure to keep drill speed low to avoid splintering. You want neat, guided holes so the thread seats evenly and the handle remains balanced. You now feed waxed cord or a leather strip through the prepared holes. Do this slowly so the thread follows the spine path. Once threaded, tension the cord evenly. Uneven tension will pull the blade off balance. Next, inject thin epoxy or PVA into the channel and around the thread. This bonds the thread to the wood and distributes impact stress. Make sure to wipe excess immediately, then press the thread into place with a blunt tool. Allow the recommended cure time so the joint achieves full strength. You finish by trimming any thread that protrudes, then sand smooth with 180, then 320 grit to blend into the bat surface. This prevents catching and preserves feel. After sanding, apply a light coat of linseed oil or sealer and let it cure 24-48 hours. This protects fibers and helps the repair breathe. Finally, test the repair with gentle taps and gradual force. If you detect movement or hollow sounds, re-drill a small guided hole near the weak spot and rebond with.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.